Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: an iPhone or iPad, an active Apple ID, and Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Messages, and toggle iMessage on. Make sure Send and Receive lists your phone number and email. Now open Messages, tap the existing text thread, or start a new one to the contact. If their address is not linked to Apple ID, add their Apple email or phone. This primes Messages to attempt iMessage instead of SMS. To convert a green SMS bubble to iMessage, you must force a fresh negotiation. So, create a new message rather than replying in the old SMS thread, and enter the contact's Apple ID email or verified phone number. If the message still sends as SMS, sign out of Messages and sign back in to refresh iMessage certificates. Also make sure both devices have current iOS and that the recipient's device is reachable on data. Otherwise, Messages will fall back to SMS automatically. Finish by verifying the bubble color. Blue indicates iMessage, check delivered, or read receipts to confirm. If Messages remain green, restart both devices, toggle iMessage off and on, and sign out / into your Apple ID. Make sure iOS is up to date and that both ends have data access. One key troubleshooting tip: if iMessage won't activate, check Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About for carrier updates, then verify Apple's system status. Activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.